It's pretty hot.
I'd go up to the bridge and come down.
Done.
He's not doing a bad job right now.
I'd get out and walk up here by now, dragging.
He's tiring out though. Look at him. He's getting tired.
A nice ride going now.
It's like, I'm good.
Get up.
Out in the dirt there, Barry.
I think this is going to be amusing.
Wait a minute.
Bob said, if I'm going over, you're going over.
You got to put both feet in at the same time.
I'm just trying to keep the rudder on the mud.
That's all right. We'll be fine.
Ride 'em, cowboy.
Hey, Bob, go ahead, give a push. Now you're going to Yeah, okay, sitting down.
Hey, if he pushes, you're going to tip.
No. I'm a gentle giant.
Learn how to hula out
Hey,
there.
just imagine if you do this, we'll both have to split this $10,000 jackpot.
What do you mean both? There's a lot of us here. What's that come out to be about 800 apiece?
All right, now turn around. Yeah, far enough. But look at that gleam off the top of that dome.
I know you're not going to get much of a picture. That's a close to watching.
It's not a canoe.
It was lost the paddle.
Hard apart! Hard apart! Shark! Shark! Watch, he gonna start boasting now.
Kayaks.
Speed.
Hey, give us some speed there, Barry. Now, how can we win $10,000 like this? You gotta get over. There he goes. Hey, you guys race.
I need a motor on mine.
Come on, Barry, get up, turn it over.
No, I didn't go for a pocket. No. To make the story straight. To make the story straight.
Hold your key. Hold your own key.
Arnie said you had a zipper pocket.
This is gonna be interesting, him getting back in there.
You gotta make it back. That's the hardest part.
Go ahead, Arnold. Hey, look back here for a second.
One more. Oh!
Yeah, you don't need to bring it that high though. Straight back and then you take it right away. Yeah. So when you put it in, right back. Just be careful now. When you come onto the right hand side, don't swing so much. Otherwise you go that way. Still want to swim in this water. You mind swimming out there? We're going to this one. Yeah, the water's pretty clean today. Yeah, I'll tell you that. When you put it in, so it's right like this, like
No way.
again, I gotta breathe. Go on that side, don't breathe. No, stay just in the middle. But if you start moving that side, like that.
That would have been a good one on video. These things How many seats up there? One.
Yeah. What? You catch them. Right here.
Yes, ain't it? You got your legs back under the seat? You can't get it back there. You got it as far as you can.
So they can follow. Daddy.
Hey, we going out now. Hey, now I'm nervous, man. Let's go get out. I'll go with the waterproof. Go! Go!
Yeah. Exactly what we did.
Taking orders from the stairs.
Wait. Watch out now. Oh. Woohoo. You got him, man. Yeah? Okay. Get him. Yeah. Real fire, yeah? Huh? Huh? No, I'll tell you, I'll go arresting now. Okay?
Don't want to go swimming. Okay, number 3, you follow Nani. You on Nani's side. 5, you follow.
Yes, sir.
Big man, number 2. We got it.
Yeah. Gotta watch them, you know.
No.
Gotta watch food.
Wait, Michael brings you down.
Huh?
Okay. Stay here on this side. That's it. Mind to bring down. Power here. From here. Like that. Back up again.
Where's the going now? Huh? No. You. Yeah, no. Why? Water?
We'll go out on the one man, but when he's done, she's gonna go get her.
Follow number one.
Oh, you gotta watch the fish. You cannot be doing everything all at one time. How you gonna pay attention? How you gonna know if the fish fighting? Oh, you don't know. Huh? You don't know. The fish can bite them. We'll take them in the water. There's no more food. You gotta pay attention. You gotta be patient, bro.
Papa, you just hold this, okay?
Good at it.
All the way in the back.
Is that them?
Watkins is off, man. He's way off. He's slow as hell. That's why these guys are winning.
Hey, down in front.
Come on in, let's go. Going out with us? They'll give us 6 new people. Yeah, they're meant to go in three each of us. Tired now? It's fine. Because they don't know how to paddle. Hey, I told him to drop his head off. I was off at the wind way off. That's what made it slow.
Anybody want to go again to make the next drink? Power back there. Yeah, you paddled before? one. How was it? Can't hold your breath for 5 minutes, right? That's hard. You got your ring? Yeah, well, we didn't do it. Let's not let's just handle it.
Well, y'all saw that in it. I was carrying the whole weight earlier. Yeah, it wasn't doing any paddling. Look, you got your breath. Me and Anna take care of it.
Whatever you do, don't
Race these guys.
on the right side.
Get in there, Barry. Oh, we got another 10 miler in it.
So it's like
You can only take 3 out.
I know.
Just kidding.
1, 2, and 3.
You want to go one more?
I went for
Come on, Barry, get one more, man. Get in there. It ain't gonna tip over. And if it does, it's in there.
Besides, you provide some streamline.
Need a wash?
There we go. There we go.
Yeah, Walker's losing again, ain't he? He's old. He can't help it. He has no rhythm. That's why he can't keep no same stroke.
I think the hair is coming alive in a text. You grab the, hold on to the hat.
She is, ain't she? Hold on, 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000.
Hey, Arnie, what are you doing?
On your own page?
Look at Cherry.
I told you he'd be the handicap for me, Mac.
No. Cherry just on a Sunday stroll.
Come on now. Come on now.
Better fill out the tank. We have to go ahead.
My gosh, you weren't.
Hey, man. Oh, you wore out?
Hey! Did okay.
Where you going? Other side.
Oh.
The inside of the Hilo Hawaiian. This is our suite, our bedroom. This is, come with me. It's a very nice room. This room is the lounge room. We have here a table, the chairs, the couch. The television we're gonna turn off now. Hilo Hawaiian. Oh, one more. We have a balcony that oversees the hotel that we are staying. Oh, shit. I just dropped my key. Okay, let me get back on my tourist bus. This is the bathroom. I don't see a red light.
It's on.
This is the bathroom. It's a very nice bathroom. This is. Don't go there now.
Oh, I gotta get my purse.
This is our room 505. Okay, we go now. We go downstairs to find the key. There's someone dropped so clumsy like.
Someone named Glenn.
Another suite. We need organ.
Hmm?
We need organ.
That was an orchid man?
The organ one.
Oh.
One the other way we had the first one. How are you, Miss Champagne?
I'm fine.
Indeed, I will say so myself. It's quick. This is the lobby of the Hilo Hawaiian Hotel. Very nice one. The Queen's Restaurant.
Okay. Hmm?
It's raining today. We have to. I told you right at the end of the bush. Look, that was correct. I started exactly where it hit. Right at the end of the bush. This key is very paramount. We must go. Watch your head there. It's very low.
Ow.
We must go now to the breakfast place. For some breakfast. See that?
Uh-uh. What happened?
I think some fruit dropped down.
Alright, well, how you even getting the damn car so I don't get wet?
Go ahead, stop rolling. Called Black Sand Beach. It's black sand. Big old waves. Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? Just looking.
Alright.
The conditions that we have to drive in. This is ridiculous.
3,000 feet.
And we have a bread, and these two are 50% Chablis and then 50% tropical fruit, like passion fruit. And the last two are sweet dessert wines are made just from honey. So no grapes or any fruit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so they're very unique.
What are your prices?
Oh, they're all the same price. They're all $13.
You're on Candid Camera, you know that now.
I have a lot of video. You're gonna have a lot of. Okay, next one is our semi-dry. So same break. This is the white for a shorter time. Use a little more sugar. Next is our simply nut. Then it makes it very smoky and very good. This bread is a tropical fruit blend. So you know it's a red wine, you can have chilled or room temperature. Those are other fruits. Sparkling wine towards the sweet.